are we making today?
We're making green chicken enchiladas!
That's right. It's one of our favorite casseroles / hot dishes
if you're from
ever.
If you're from Minnesota.
Minnesota, that's right. We are starting with some seasoned chicken tenderloins, and I seasoned these up with some garlic jalapeno rub. You can use whatever you want. And I've got 2 tablespoons of olive oil heating on the stove, so we're gonna saute these up.
Look at that.
And while our chicken is cooking, we're gonna work on my mom's secret sauce. So we're gonna start with some good old cream of mushroom. And I like the kind with garlic in it. 1 whole can of that. And our next ingredient is a little can of green chilies, 4 ounces. And next we'll do a tablespoon of sour cream.
Let's use about a spoon.
Yep, you've got a tablespoon in your hand. That's going to end up being a little bit more perfect. Nice big cloth. 1/2 cup of milk. Okay, our chicken is all done. It's nice and brown and succulent. And then we'll dice these up into nice little bite-sized chunks and throw them in a big bowl. All right, we've got all of our diced chicken right here in a big bowl, and we're ready for our filling for our green chicken enchiladas. So we're gonna add a really generous cup or 1.5 cups of cheese.
Cheese, please.
And then we're gonna go for about 1/4 cup of sour cream. Again, you can be as generous or as stingy as you want. And then we'll do 1/2 cup of green salsa. Oh, thank you. Oops. I'm gonna pour the next one in. And then we'll give it a big mix all around.
No, don't use that one. Okay, don't use that one. You can go get your own. Whoops.
All right, we're ready to assemble. So, first step is to take some of our luscious green chili sauce and pour that in the bottom. It's nice and thick, but not too thick. Here we go.
Chili sauce.
And I'll just kind of put the bottom of our casserole pan here.
Very pretty.
Now we're going to take our filling. Can you leave that there, honey? And just spread it down the middle.
And then we wrap.
And then we wrap. And just wrap it like that.
Can I put it?
Yep. And just snuggle it down in the sauce with the seam side down so they stay closed. And we'll repeat. Okay, we've got our enchiladas all ready to go. So our next step is to take our special sauce and, yep, ooh, okay, yep, yep, there we go. All right.
Do I?
And then Liesl, could you grab a spatula and kind of swoosh it all around there? All right, I'll do it.
No, I'm getting a spatula.
I've already got Okay, that's good. Okay, the sauce is on, and now it's time for some more cheese.
Jeez Louise cheese.
I know, it's a lot of good cheese.
Cheese.
We don't necessarily have to use all of it. I'd say that's about 2 cups. Yeah. All right, there we go. So we've got 2 cups of cheese on, and then
Use the cheese
some
one.
sliced olives.
Olives.
All right, my green enchilada hot dish is hot out of the oven, slightly cooled. And I have got some Spanish rice, and so I am going to plate this up. This is going to be such a delicious dinner. I can get some out, and it's just loaded with all that yummy, yummy sauce and all kinds of cheese. Get 1/2 at a time. Yum. Oh my goodness. There we go. So great. And then a little bit of green salsa on the top. It's gonna make everything just perfect. And I hope that you love this and enjoy it with your family really soon. And for this recipe, go visit highbrowdownhome.com and follow me on, I was gonna say Twitter, but Facebook and Instagram, and check out my YouTube channel. Cheers.